Al Qureshi again. This is the second video. So in the previous video, I discussed about how to apply the uh, mesh file, MATLAB file, and visit together to visualize this thing. So this one is one of the visualization. You may visit it. So I will discuss in this video how to visit, how to make this thing in your project or research work. So this is one of the heat exchanger. We made this hole uh, in the GMASH. So here the hole is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 8 row in there, and there is 8th row. So it is producing 64 void spaces. So according to our requirement, we apply in the sixth row 3.5 degree, that means 350 degree Kelvin, and in the second row we are applying 400 degree Kelvin, and in the first row, in the this lower row we are applying 300 Kelvin. So you see in here from these from this here, you may find that there is 3.5, this temperature 3.5, this is 400 degree, and this one is 300. So this z-axis uh, represent the temperature distribution in there. So let's talk about how can we generate this thing. First you have to download this GMASH file from the internet. So we open the this file. So we rename this complex mesh file, open it. So this is our heat exchanger GMesh file. So for the geo file, if you want to see the geo file, the geo file is like that. Oh, sorry, open geo file. Something is problem. So we open the mesh file. We need the mesh file only. The mesh file is there. Later, we read the mesh file in the MATLAB, say the complex mesh file, and give the path to the file location and save the file as complex dat file. So you may see in there, there is a dat file. Okay, producing it. So our boundary here, boundary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, according to the there is 8 and there is 8, so we can apply any boundary, any temperature we can change from here. And in the boundary condition we are applying that in the text 6, that means in the row number 6 in here, 1 2 3 4, like row number 6 in here, we are applying 3.5, that means 315 Kelvin, and in the row number 2 we are applying 400, and another row we are applying 300 degree Kelvin. You may change according to your requirement, like we are, if you say that you want to apply at the column 4, you want to apply this 3.5 degree Kelvin, you can produce it. So run it, and it with less time it is producing the file, like it takes 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Okay, it produces. So let's go to visit and say that reopen. It is reopening. You see, this is the fourth column, and again, if you want to apply, like say that 300, like say that 200, it takes time. Okay, it produces it and reopen it. So it is 200. That means from here, this is the 300. Z-axis 300. So you are going to 200. That means down. This is 400. So you can play with it like 300 or something. It is really good one. So in the previous video, I discussed how this formation is comes from, and in the in this video, in these documents, I discussed. So this is one of our project. Thanks Dr. Arash and one of my colleague Babatunde Atolagbe. He is very helpful for me, and he's developed this code and like this. So and this PDF you can find how I generate this code and hand calculation step by step. This is the hand calculation and this is the code description, and this is the main basic programming, some programming code MATLAB. So thanks for watching.